And I'm back. And I'm back once again. Once again, I'm back. A stubby chubby that's got the rubber. I just want to say, folks, and I noticed, hey, I've never talked about Revelry. Maybe it's not relevant. Picked up this Revelry case. I just want to say, it's hard. It's hard. It's plastic, it's hard, it's dark. It is not a BBC, it's the little black case. But don't sell the little one short. Revelry from Santa Cruz, California. It's in California. It's great. It's fantastic. You could put a lot of cookies in here. Look at this. It even says, it says Revelry. Look at this. Revelry hard cases. This comes with foam. Look at this. It's got a rubber here. You're black. You're not a BBC, but you got rubber. You can get a lot done there. Look at this. This cool nubbins. You know, it looks like soundproofing foam. That is in the lid, and it comes with a inside an insert that actually is. It's hard to tell, but it's already scored. It's a little chopped up, as it were, so you can easily break out what you need. I needed a shape like that, and it also has more in the bottom. You can. I was able to cut it to fit batteries. 5Ah battery, a 7Ah battery. Worked out perfectly for me. But I don't carry batteries anymore because I don't go out and need to use them. Why carry them if I don't need to use them, right? Some of you may know I used to be out there doing my thing, put my thing down, heading out to jobs, doing this and that, and I don't do that anymore. But I did get to drive somewhere and give something to somebody. That was a momentous occasion. Or was it sad that I got so excited about it? I don't know, I got pretty excited. Quite frankly, I was very excited. I was the one available. When everyone else is gone, and you happen to be the one left when everyone else is gone and you happen to be the one left who's around who they can ask, sometimes they ask you. So I got to run out to another town with some things that I used to put in this case. And it made my day. Whoa. Hear that? Well, I sure did. Basically, bottom line is, this is from California. It's in California. The case from California. The Revelry case. Get it now. Go to your hardware store. They probably sell. Pick one that's hard, that you can snap, that's watertight, that's got foam inserts. This one checks all those boxes. It's the Revelry case from Santa Cruz, California. It's good. It's fiberglass. It's reinforced. It's everything you need in a tiny, not really a BBC, kind of almost a stubby chubby. So I'd say a stubby chubby that's got the rubber. It's got protection. It's got all the things that sound kind of dirty. Oh, it's so dirty. No. I'm not just doing this to have something to talk about, not because my life is so sad that I have nothing going on, but helping my wife out, which is the best thing there is. It's so good I won't sell it. And now you know that's something because I sell everything. Okay? Look over there. Do you see that? Used to be a bunch of DeWalt stuff there. It's gone because I sold it so I could try to stay afloat financially. This one's so good, doesn't even come into the equation. Neighbors. This neighbor is walking two white dogs. They look like Bichons. Bichon Frise. That's not a man's dog, I'll tell you that much. Bichon. You have one named Bichonda. Or Sean or Shonda. Sean. I used to know somebody named, they called him Shondo because he used Bondo on his truck. His name was Sean. That's not a very big stretch. Let the neighbor go by. So, oh, yeah. Oh, holy priest. So let me tell you this right now. Ow. Not as hard as I used to be. This is the Revelry case from Santa. What are there? 8,000 Santas. Santa somethings in California. Saint something. Saint Cruz. Who's Saint Cruz? Patron saint of lowriders, maybe? Get the 16 switches. Get in your Impala, your 6.4. Was it 6.4 Impala? Your Caprice Classic, homie. Get your Caprice Classic. Saint Cruz. So Santa Cruz produces supposedly, or they get it from China. You get it from China and they stamp it from Santa Cruz. Quite frankly, getting tremendous prices, tremendous value from China. From Santa Cruz, Revelry case. It's beautiful. It's so good, I will not sell it. Check back with me. Nobody will. Nobody ever checks with me. Oh, my dogs won't shut up. Dogs. Nobody checks with me. But if you would, you could say, hey, you still have the Revelry case? I'd say, yeah. Not going to sell it because this is so solid that if I wanted to trust something, if I had to trust something to hold something, keep it protected, keep the water out of it, more solid than my DeWalt, more solid than my Revelry case, this is going to do it. And let me tell you something. The fact that it's smaller, it's more compact, it's cube-like, a lot of strength for your uppers and your downers, dimensions. It's so small and tight and compact, it really holds in, like the strength as far as keeping things from pressing in on it, because it's so stout for how big it is phenomenal. It's good. Get one, and I defy you to prove to me that it's not worth whatever I pay for. I think I paid like $50 for it. Worth every penny. That's all I have to say about that. I'm tired of my neighbor's dog barking. And there's my other neighbor that collects, he's got like 8,000 cars now. If he's got one, he's got 12. He's collecting RVs and storing them on the street. Neighbors are going to be death to me. Anyway, I've had enough. You've probably had enough. If you made it this far, you probably haven't. If you have, thank you, Mom and Dad, for being the ones watching this. I'm out. Bye.